studies in general have shown that bird diverters can reduce collisions with our wires by 50 to 90%. Tens of thousands of birds have a migratory path through this area. It helps the birds see the overhead wire more clearly. That wire tends to be thinner, so the birds have a higher chance of not seeing that wire. It's similar to the way we put large marker balls on our wires as well, so that pilots can see the wires. It's the same concept to help the birds with their vision.